This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. And there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here. The trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now.
I'm on the 5th floor of the Beacons place. It's a beautiful apartment building which is located at 1720 Lombard. This is the hallway. It's a carpet and a lot of windows. A lot of natural light coming to the hallway. It's always bright. I'm about to show you on the 5th floor, which is 502. This floor is a bi-level unit. Upstairs you have your bedroom and your full bath. And a big, huge walk-in closet. I will show you that in a moment. Let's focus here on the first floor first. As you walk in, on your left side, you see this small window. And you could see this beautiful city we have through this window. And the window brings a lot of natural light as well. Here is your living room. A huge living room with a central air and heat. And the living room has a door that takes you to the outside for fresh air. You could open it. It has a guard for the insect, so that the insect wouldn't fly through. And you have another door on this side as well. We have a screen here. You could open the door and bring in fresh air to have a nice breeze. Today is actually a beautiful day to do that. Here is view from inside. Your living room actually is big, huge. And here, when I turn to this side, I told you earlier it's bi-level, so you have a bedroom upstairs. So the ceiling is high ceiling here, and like you could see on this side it's a little bit slow because of the upstairs. So on this floor you also have a half bath, beautiful half bath, nice tile. You have sink, you have a mirror, you have a toilet, a nice bathroom for a guest. And here also you have this small room which you can use it as a bedroom actually, or an office space. The room has big actually closet, a walk-in closet in here. And you could see it has two huge windows and is very bright. The next space I wanted to show you is the kitchen. Here you have a kitchen next to the living room. In this kitchen you have a lot of storage space, storage cabinet, stainless steel appliances. You have gas cooktop and oven. You have range hood. You have a built-in microwave. You have a dishwasher. You have a refrigerator. You also have next to the kitchen, the closet space you see, you have washer and dryer in here. You could just close the door and take it out of sight. The last thing I want to show you in this room is this small closet space. The next level of the unit. So as you go up, you have here bedroom, big size bedroom, and over there you have a huge closet space. Over there you have a full bath. So we're over there earlier, we went through that door. So this is what the upstairs space looks like. Let's get to the bathroom here. It's a big size bathroom. You have a tile floor. The bath area is, the wall is tile, and you have a deep bath. You have bathtub and shower combo. You have big mirror. You have sink. You have a toilet. You also have a medicine, nice medicine cabinet here. And the last space I would like to show you is this huge closet space. And we have very nice bedroom here and closet space. So I just showed you what unit 502 looks like. I hope you like the video.